Hey friends and wine lovers, welcome back to another unboxing video for WTSO. Let's get into this Barolo from northern Italy today.
What exactly is a Barolo?
Barolo is a red wine from the northern part of Italy, the Piemonte region. And much like French wines, Italian wines can be a little confusing because they name their wines after the region and not the grape. So Barolo is a small town in the northwest of Italy. It's near the Italian Alps, basically sits at the foot of it. Piemonte translates to the foot of the mountain. And the grape that they use is called Nebbiolo. And the Nebbiolo grape is actually named after La Nebbia, which is the fog. There's a fog that blankets this region in the morning. So La Nebbia, Nebbiolo, that's the name of the grape. Like a lot of winemaking regions in Europe, they were making wine here for thousands of years, but it wasn't very high quality. When the local elites, aristocrats, and royalty got involved, and they wanted to put Barolo on the winemaking map, so they put a lot of money behind turning it into this really high quality dry wine. And for that reason, it's known as the wine of kings and the king of wines.
I am but a peasant, but I would like a sip.
I guess even peasants deserve to drink once in a while. Now this winery here has been in business for about 80 years, 3 generations of winemaking, and Miliasso is the patriarch of the family, so this is kind of an homage to him. And this is a 2019, which is relatively young for a Barolo.
When they age, what notes, like what do they pick up?
These are similar to a Pinot Noir as they age, for getting notes of rose petals, tar, which is really interesting, and white truffle. Now let's drink this thing.
Heard that.
Ooh-wee, that's a tannic wine. It spends 18 months in large barrel Slovenian oak. Slovenian.
What do you got?
All right, this is a classic Barolo flavor profile. A little sour cherry, some cranberry in there as well too. Some licorice starting to come out in the nose here now too. But it's mouth-wateringly acidic, which is classic Italian red wine, which makes it great for food. We have arrived at the food pairing portion of our event. This is a pretty intense wine, and classic pairings are red meats, but in particular braised meats. So braised veal, braised lamb, game meats would be good, something with a little funk on them. Oh, I should mention the butter line. Are you familiar with the butter line at all?
I'm not familiar with the butter line, but it sounds delicious.
The butter line. There's a line kind of drawn across the northern part of Italy where above that they cook with mostly butter. That's their fat of choice. And below that line, they use nothing but olive oil.
You just made that up.
No, I did. Look it up. So if we're gonna go with butter, let's do white truffles in a butter sauce. Like a white truffle butter sauce on top of some pasta.
Love it.
And good Barolo can last for a really long time. So a wine like this will age in your cellar anywhere from like 10 to 15 years and be even better. Well, what a beautiful Barolo there. Another excellent find from WTSO and part of our unboxing series where we unbox a full case of wines. So there are 11 others. If you want to see what they were, go back and check those videos out too. To buy great wines like these, of course, go to WTSO.com. As always, thanks for drinking with me today, and I'll catch you for the next glass of wine. Cheers.